Hi guys, I love spending some peaceful time in the morning in my very small balcony garden. Today's morning surprise are these newly blossomed flowers. Looking at this greenery and these flowers brings so much peace and calmness to me.
She's my lemonade, the yellow that I couldn't paint. Shall I compare to a summer day? Just like the sun, it will never fade. The cool breeze in the shade, my four leaves to the plate, right to my mistakes.
And for breakfast, I had cut fruits, and this is my breakfast almost every day.
My whole forever take a toll, 'cause she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I know.
While I was continuing with my work, I remembered I haven't opened few parcels I got from Amazon, so I took a break to open them up.
I wouldn't notice, but it's colder, it's colder, it's cold.
I almost ran out of my everyday body mist, so I ordered this body mist. It is vanilla scented. I really like vanilla for everyday purpose. And I also ordered set of 2 candles. These are scented candles. I thought the fragrance notes and their names sounded very interesting, so I ordered these ones as well.
I know, I just know she'll be my downfall. When it rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll, 'cause she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I.
And for lunch, we wanted to eat something interesting, so we made these grilled chicken or tandoor chicken on an electric tandoor.
Praying she won't be my downfall. When it rain it pours, my heart will.
Post lunch, I was craving for some dessert, so had this candy as a dessert. After that, I took a very nice afternoon nap, and I woke up to this beautiful sunset view from my balcony.
I know, she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I know.
She's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I know.